Hi, Camille. Welcome to Illinois Spine and Disc Institute. How are you today?
Good.
Good. When did you first start coming here?
I came here about 2 years ago because I was doing a half marathon and was noticing some physical bruising on my knees and was confused why, and it was also causing a lot of pain that was hindering my running. So then I came here to have them check it out, and because of the muscle tension in my legs, it was actually causing a physical bruise to show up on my knee. So they did a lot of deep tissue massaging and showed me some exercises, and I was able to run fine, and I've been fine.
Terrific.
Yeah.
So we have helped you.
Yes, very much. It's been really helpful, and after 2 years of being really good, I kind of was getting a little lazy and slacked off on taking care of my legs and stretching enough, so I was starting to feel the tension come back, and before it got too bad I came back here to have them help me get readjusted with that and make sure I'm all ready to go for my next run.
Yeah. Oh, preventative. That is the
Yeah.
best method, isn't it?
Definitely.
I know. So have you sent anybody here?
Yes, I've talked about it, and just because I've had such a great experience, and yeah, my whole family loves this place, and we tell people about it.
Terrific, terrific. So if you want to move in, we have room for you.
Perfect.
All right. You have a great day, Camille, and thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right.